You can create childhood games like this snake game in minutes with just using ChatGPT. Right. First of all, you need to have ChatGPT. And go into ChatGPT and then type create a snake game for me using HTML. I want it to be as unique as possible. Now, it has given us the code. It took around 1 minute, 26 seconds thinking, and then 30 seconds giving us the code. You have to copy this code, and you press the copy button at the top right corner here. Then you open Notepad. You open Notepad. Everyone has Notepad. Okay, you open Notepad, and then you paste everything here. You paste the whole thing here, and then you save. You save it as a HTML. Okay, I'm going to save it in my coding places. Okay, you can save it as snake game z.html. The most important thing is you have to put the .html behind so that when it is saved, it will become a HTML file. Press the save button. Then I will now go to the place where the file is located and I'll double click the file. And here is my snake game. Not bad. It's actually glowing all the way. Okay. Oh, did I just somehow went into another place? I don't know how it works, but not bad. It looks fun. So let's see whether it will die. So, oh, it changed again. Okay. So basically, if I eat the red food, oh yeah, I killed myself. Anyway, you know what I mean. So basically, you just ask ChatGPT to code for you, and then you just paste it somewhere in a notepad, and then you open the application. It's going to run in your web browser. We call this a HTML, okay? So what if I want to make it better? So I want it to, now how I want to make it better, I'll ask it to create an AI that can run on itself to try to win. Okay, write an AI for the snake to run by itself to win the game. Okay, it's done. So it took a longer period, maybe because I'm scared it to write an AI. So I'm gonna copy the whole thing and copy the whole thing. I'm gonna go back to the notepad here. I'm gonna just delete everything and paste the new code here, and I'll save it, and I'll try to play with it again. Okay, it's running on its own. I'm not doing anything right now. Yeah, it's running with its own AI, something like that. So it's actually quite nice. It's trying to not touch all the obstacles. Amazing. I just write an AI that can play snake game, guys. So yeah, I'm not sure whether how long can it run, but I mean it's a lot better than me. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to create application, for example, like this weather checker I created, if you type in Cebu, it's gonna show the weather of Cebu. If you type in Kuching, it's gonna show Kuching. So if you type in Bangkok from Thailand, it's gonna show you Bangkok. So if you like today's video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel.